Let's take a look at my 1991 Ford E250 camper van. This is a 4x4 van with a 5-inch lift and has been driven about 1,000 miles since its restoration, including a remanufactured 351 Windsor motor with a warranty and a rebuilt C6 transmission. On the inside of the van, the double doors lead to a couch, and as we look towards the back, we see plenty of counter space and storage. There is a 2-burner propane stove, a Suburban furnace, a sink with 30-gallon freshwater tank underneath and a 16-gallon gray water tank under the van. There is an RV toilet with a 25-gallon black tank. The fridge is a bodega cooler. It runs on AC or DC, has 2 zones, and it is programmable. There's more storage over the back door, and interior lights have 3 modes. On the roof, we have 200 watts of solar panels run by a 20 amp MPPT controller. Up top, there's a loft bed. It slides out on rails and has its own lighting and 12-volt ports. In the ceiling is a max cool fan with a remote. Next to that are the controls for the 1,000-watt inverter. Under the couch are our electronic controls, including converter, battery shutoff, water shutoff, and all fuses. The van comes with a complete set of snap-in blackout curtains. As we move to the cab of the vehicle, we see the floor-mounted 4-wheel drive shifter. In the dashboard, we have a set of auxiliary gauges, a Bluetooth stereo, and front and rear facing cameras. Let's take a look at the outside of the van. As we move around the back, we see that there are storage boxes on both sides accessible from the interior and the exterior. There is an exterior shower. The van sits on 33-inch heavy-duty tires. We have a recently serviced propane tank and an awning in excellent condition. And as we look underneath the vehicle, we will see it is clean and rust-free. You'll see the transmission, transfer case, drivetrain, gray water tank, mostly new exhaust, new fuel system from end to end, and the black water tank. There is a ladder to the roof with storage racks, and the exterior has hookups for water and power. Under the hood of this van features a new motor and a ton of new accessories, including alternator, AC components, power steering, and ignition system. I hope you've enjoyed this tour.